Before we continue, a few important announcements. We are very excited to announce a new partnership with Course Platform Name, where you can learn more about artificial intelligence and other emerging technologies. Use our promotional code to get a special discount on all courses. Also, stay tuned for our upcoming live events where we will have special guests and in-depth discussions on the hottest topics in technology. Don't miss out. We are also launching a new series of free online workshops, where you can learn directly from industry experts on how to implement AI solutions in your own projects. Sign up on our website and guarantee your spot. Welcome to another episode of Users and Artificial Machines. Let's explore some real-world examples of how AI is changing our lives. Artificial intelligence is already present in many aspects of our daily lives, often in ways we don't even realize. Virtual assistants like Alexa, Siri, and Google Assistant are great examples of AI in action. They use natural language processing to understand and respond to our questions, perform tasks, and even control smart devices in our homes. These assistants are becoming increasingly integrated into our homes, providing a more connected and intelligent living experience. Imagine waking up in the morning and with a simple voice command, having your coffee made, the day's news read to you, and your schedule updated. Another example is the recommendation systems used by platforms like Netflix, Amazon, and Spotify. These systems analyze our habits and preferences to suggest personalized content, making our experience more enjoyable and efficient. These systems not only improve the user experience but also help companies increase customer retention and sales by providing suggestions that users are genuinely interested in. In healthcare, AI is revolutionizing the diagnosis and treatment of diseases. Question 1. Advanced algorithms what is the can analyze medical AI to detect cancers in their early stages, long before they are noticeable to the naked eye. In addition, AI is being used to develop new drugs and personalized therapies. AI is also helping to predict disease outbreaks and epidemics by analyzing data from various sources to identify patterns and alert health authorities in advance. This can save thousands of lives and reduce the impact of health crises. In the field of security, AI is being used to monitor and analyze large volumes of data in real time. This allows for the identification of potential threats and a rapid response to them. For example, intelligent surveillance systems can detect suspicious behavior in crowds and alert authorities immediately. Furthermore, AI is helping to strengthen cybersecurity. Algorithms can identify and mitigate cyber attacks, protecting sensitive data and ensuring the integrity of information systems. In an increasingly digital world, these technologies are essential for maintaining security and privacy. In education, AI is creating new opportunities for personalized learning. Intelligent educational platforms can adapt the content and pace of lessons to the individual needs of each student, making learning more effective and engaging. AI-powered virtual tutors are becoming increasingly common, offering additional support to students outside the classroom. These tutors can answer questions, provide personalized exercises, and track student progress, helping them reach their full potential. In business, AI is transforming the way companies operate. Predictive analytics tools help companies anticipate demand, optimize inventory, and improve operational efficiency. Additionally, AI-powered chatbots are revolutionizing customer service by offering 24/7 support and resolving issues quickly and efficiently. AI is also being used to identify new market opportunities, analyze competitors, and develop more effective marketing strategies. With the help of AI, companies can make more informed decisions and achieve better results. To further deepen our understanding of artificial intelligence, we've invited some renowned experts for a panel discussion. Let's hear their perspectives on the current state of AI, its challenges, and its opportunities. Now, welcome to our expert panel. We have here Andrew Ng, Doctor of Computer Science from the University of California, and co-founder of Google Brain, Geoffrey Hinton, PhD in Artificial Intelligence from the University of Edinburgh and winner of the 2018 Turing Award, and Yoshua Bengio, the co-founder of one of the largest deep learning research institutes in the world. Let's start with a general overview. Andrew Ng, how do you see the current state of AI?
Thank you for the invitation. Currently, AI is at a turning point. We are seeing impressive advances in areas such as computer vision, natural language processing, and robotics. However, there is still a lot to be done to achieve truly general AI.
Interesting. Jeffrey Hinton, can you talk about some of the ethical challenges we are facing with AI?
Sure. Ethics in AI is a complex topic. One of the main challenges is to ensure that algorithms are fair and impartial. Biases in data can lead to discriminatory decisions, and it is our responsibility as developers to ensure that this does not happen. Furthermore, transparency is crucial. Users need to understand how and why an AI makes certain decisions.
Great point. Yoshua Bengio, what are some of the most exciting opportunities you see in the future of AI?
AI has enormous potential to transform almost every aspect of our lives. In particular, I am excited about the impact that AI can have on healthcare, education, and sustainability. We can use AI to develop innovative medical treatments, personalize education on an unprecedented scale, and create more efficient solutions to combat climate change.
Thank you, Bengio. Let's open for questions from the audience. Question from the audience. How can AI help in sustainability and combating climate change?
Excellent question. AI can help optimize the use of natural resources, predict climate patterns, and develop more efficient technologies. For example, we can use AI to better manage energy consumption in smart cities, optimize agriculture to reduce waste, and even create new materials that are more sustainable.
Let's go to another question. A viewer wants to know how AI can influence the future of work. Jeffrey Hinton?
AI will certainly transform the labor market. Many repetitive and data-driven tasks will be automated, but this will also open up new opportunities for more creative and strategic jobs. It will be crucial for the workforce to adapt and acquire new skills. Continuing education and training will be essential to ensure that people can take advantage of the new opportunities created by AI.
Thank you very much to all our experts for your valuable contributions. It was a fascinating and enlightening discussion. That's a wrap on another episode of Users and Artificial Machines. Today we explored the vast and fascinating world of artificial intelligence. We talked about its definitions, types, practical applications, and the ethical challenges it presents. We saw how AI is changing industries like healthcare, security, education, and business, bringing new opportunities and improving our quality of life. However, we also highlighted the importance of addressing ethical challenges and ensuring that AI is developed and used fairly and transparently. We'd like to thank our experts and you, our viewers, for your questions and for joining us on this journey. We hope you found inspiration and knowledge to continue exploring the incredible world of artificial intelligence. Thank you for watching our episode today. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with your friends and family. Leave your comments below and tell us what you'd like to learn more about in future episodes. We'd like to thank our sponsors and partners, with a special thanks to Name of Course platform for their partnership. Remember to use the promo code CODE to get your discount on courses about AI and other new technologies. Until next time, stay curious and open to the wonders of science and technology. See you soon on the next episode of Users and Artificial Machines.